All right, so I'm excited to show you the risk register system. Here we'll have the bill of materials items, and I'll just give a kind of brief tour of this. You'll be able to, in the inventory section, see both the total inventory risks and the inventory bill of materials risks, kind of amalgamated, but this is just for the inventory bill of material items. So you can make this risk register based on different things you put in. You can see these adversaries you can choose here, the estimated likelihood by the adversary. And I'll just show you this example, unauthorized access to CAD files. So these impact scores here, you'll be able to set some values in another section of the program, but this kind of gives an idea of how bad something could be if it happens. And if you have past occurrences, you can add those here. This one did not have a past occurrence, but this can help kind of prioritize which one happens the most. And here, so an idea of the system is to basically use a form of Bayesian statistics in order to find what the worst risk might be, but I want to do it in a way that's a lot easier for people to kind of grasp if they're just not practiced with it, or they don't really want to do a lot of the math by hand. So for example, we have what I call a yes and no factor here, and if this happens, how often does this factor occur? If this does not happen, how often does this factor occur? And similarly, you have what's called a measured factor here, and this all goes into the likelihood, estimated likelihood at least, of the event happening. So the cool thing about Bayesian statistics is that the more evidence you put in, the idea is to get a more accurate kind of view of the likelihood of it. So we'll put in a test factor here. I already typed this in, copied and pasted it. All users accessing CAD files are required to authenticate via multi-factor authentication. This is a factor. So if unauthorized access to CAD files happens, how often does this factor occur? We'll just put 25%. This is just kind of an estimation here. And then if it does not happen, we'll just put 70%. Then you can see here, this updated the likelihood of this event happening. It's an estimation of it. We can go ahead and save that. And so, yeah, the idea of this is to hopefully give a relatively easy way for you to be able to see which risks you should prioritize